What is going on, YouTube? Modeling that back at you with another old model kit decal review. This one is from Slixx and is part number 9431. 94 being the year, 31 being the car number, and this is for Ward Burton when he was driving the Hardee's car. Absolutely loved this scheme from the mid-90s, as it was, again, one of those just basic schemes, but the fluorescent numbers and the fluorescent Hardee's decals, things like that, were absolutely just popped, especially with the dark blue that the car was. So overall, again, you have the basic Luminas. Again, you'll need to find the more arrow nose Luminas. Love the fact that also, again, at this time he was running Hoosier tires through the great tire debacle and tire war that was into 93, 94. So, yeah. Like I said, it's a decal sheet that you don't see very often, but it's kind of cool to know that it is out there. For anybody who buys these old Slixx decals, they are completely usable. The biggest thing that you have to do at first, though, is clear coat them with something. I will actually airbrush on the liquid decal film from Micro Scale Industries. Give it a good heavy coat of this. Again, it does make it note, or it does note that you should brush this on. However, I have found that I am able to airbrush it just to get a little bit of a smoother finish, and it works fairly well. Definitely would take your time with these, as they do have a tendency to shatter if you're not careful. So again, make sure you put a good clear top coat on them, and then they lay down absolutely beautiful beyond that. So hope you guys like this really short review, and I will catch you in the next one.